Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and in this video I am decorating for the week of October 23rd to the 29th in my classic vertical happy planner. I am doing this really fun theme that I like to do from time to time where I just pull a bunch of stickers from a bunch of different sticker books that all have like the same colors. So this theme I'm going along with October. I'm doing like orange and purple, and I'm super excited. I went ahead way ahead of time and I was flipping through every single sticker book that I have. Every single one. So I flipped through all of them and I was trying to find the same purple and the same orange for every single sticker. And the only one that's kind of driving me crazy is that bill sticker that I just put down, but I may keep it, I may not. I may find a better orange or better purple, but anyway, I am using this polka dot washi I've had forever, and I'm so glad to be using it. You know, the feeling of having so much stuff and feeling like you're wasting. I don't know. So I'm in that phase right now, but anyway, I found these two really cute ones flipping through the Happy Hump Day and then Sunday Fun Day. It was perfect. Both of them are exactly the colors. So I was super pumped about that. And you saw that circle sticker on Tuesday that I put down. It was from the Celebrate sticker book from forever ago, probably 2017 at this point. And I whited out what it said on there. It said something about celebrate or something. So I whited that out, and it's not super cute if you can like see the whiteout, but in the end, it really doesn't matter. Just like the column, the sidebar sticker that I put, it was for a packing list. I whited that out and put focus on. So it works. It works. And I was flipping through the Stronger Together sticker book from for also forever ago. It was one of my favorites back in the day. And I found this girl. She's carrying a pumpkin, so perfect. And she has the perfect purple dress on. So that obviously worked out. I was really excited about it. It's like, over here, it's the small things in life. Earlier, I showed a close up of the planning guides where I have these stickers as a placeholder. So as I was flipping through all of the sticker books, I pulled them out and I put them on top of those planning guides. So then it's really easy to pull off. So in case y'all missed that, that's where those are from. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.